Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Jennifer.
I'm Sophie.
I'm Hope. I'm Russ.
I'm Matt.
You're Mac.
That's Viking.
That's
This is Molly.
And Lulu.
And Lulu. And we're the Richardson Six. I'm Jared, and I'm the one filming right now. But we're getting ready to go feed our baby calf. And what we're doing, Hope?
Getting feed for the big cows. Keep them away while we feed the little one.
All right.
There's all the feed we give them.
The bucket of feed.
We got to cover it back up so it doesn't get wet.
And Lulu wants to go with us this morning.
Yeah. Lulu, you can't go with us.
She said, "This is my seat."
Cow today. The baby calf. That's the only thing.
Oh, look at it jumping inside her. See it?
Yeah.
It's coming out soon, ain't it? Here's the bull. And he looks curly and happy. Oh,
That's curly.
there's the last one.
They're going like those. Hi, Curly. Hi, Curly.
Here's our little baby bull. Look at his little baby face. Watch out, Sophie. Oh, come here, baby. Hey, baby bull. His name is Union. Union Richardson. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Come here. You're so cute.
This is Union.
Union. Yeah, Union. Union Richardson.
Union was a little early,
Yeah.
so we're feeding him some extra bottles.
Union Richardson.
And the kids are loving it.
This is how you feed a cow.
Bottle.
All the other cows are loving their food.
How you feed a cow.
And he loves his bottles. Sophie, what are you doing? What are you doing, Sophie? Aww. All those big cows used to be the size of this. Oh.
Gotta hold it up, so we...
We aren't gonna tag him today. No, he's not very big yet anyway. See if we can find a place. Need to get it done.
Love their feed.
Russell, hopefully we'll have more to feed. Hopefully. You gotta feed for a couple days. Y'all live.
Mac, what do you got? That your stick? Keep them back. Hey, shut that gate, buddy, so mama cow don't get in.
Yeah, it is.
Do what? Now here's Mama, number 1620, wanting to know, wanting her baby. She don't like it.
Leave it there.
Are we going to do some...
So we push him out the back there.
Open the gate.
Daddy, tell him how old he is. Dad, tell him how old he is.
Be quiet, guys. He's scared to go out the gate.
Union was born October 30th.
And that, hey, Daddy, tell him that's my friend's birthday.
And that is Sophie's friend's birthday. This is what happens when you spill feed in the back of your side by side. Somebody goes to prowling. I call him Curly. It's our bull. I see this morning when we come down here to feed, the calf was laying right here. Look right here under our fence. See, our little calf actually had kind of had his head under it a little. So we need to fix that. I don't know if you can see it very well.
Here, Matt, put your spoons up.
but you can actually see. So that's a safety issue. Well, the calf could get out. Not only that, a predator such as a coyote could get in. And we don't like coyotes around here. So that's something that we're going to have to deal with and fix.
Mac, yours
Yeah,
bad.
we'll have to get something.
Put the feeder thing in front of it for now. The black thing.
Mac's shutting the gate for us. Hey Mac, you need to shut it from this side, buddy. You're gonna lock yourself in.
Hey everybody, we are the Richardson 6 R6. After this video, we're going to go get ready for church. But for right now, we want to let you know that we're new farmers and we're new YouTubers, and we want to bring you on our journey with us. Comment down below if you got any questions or any advice. Subscribe to R6.
And if we get a barn, we're gonna get a lot more animals.
Thank y'all.